This is my planting plan for this year. So hi, welcome to MoggyBoxCraft. I'm Deborah, and today I'm going to share with you what I plant in the northeast of Scotland for growing fruit and veg, and maybe some flowers. It is the 16th of March 2020. Depending where in the world you are, it will vary to what you can grow and what time's best for you to plant. This is my third year growing in raised beds and second year growing in the greenhouse, so it has been a lot of trial and error. The rule of thumb in Scotland seems to be plant 2 weeks later than anywhere else in the UK. Last year I learned that slugs and snails want to eat pretty much anything and everything they can get their slimy little tentacles on. So I've decided to do more veg, I would say, that are more like root vegetables and are less likely to get eaten, just because it's a little bit easier, also because they're a bit easier to store. That being said, I am planning to grow a few things in the greenhouse that will need constant supervision, shall we say. My propagators were about £16 each. I do have that information in the video, my video from last year, spring and summer growing in the garden, so I'll put a link to that here. For soil, I'm just using this John Innes seed sowing compost. I've already filled my trays. I got these nifty little plant markers from Andy's mum for Christmas. So I've no idea where these came from, but I've just been writing on them with a black Sharpie. In the past I have used like a dynamo, and I've tried wooden lollipops. The wooden lollipops just disintegrate. The dynamo is great, but again, because the wood disintegrates, it pops off. So I'm going to use these this year. This year in the garden, I'm going to use set onions. These are a few I have left from last year. I'm not sure if they're going to be any good or not, but we'll give them a try. And then we've got these Sturgarter giant onions that I picked up from Dobby's. So that's what they look like. These will be directly planted into the garden. Next up we've got beetroot, so these will be directly planted in the garden. Bolterary, I don't know how to pronounce that. And we've got a couple of rainbow beets that I've got left over from last year. So we've got early scarlet horan, autumn king 2, and some rainbow carrots. The last direct plant in the garden will be the parsnip white gem. These are the propagators. Can't really show you them very well right now. They're from B&Q and do come with a lid. I've no idea where I got these pots from. I actually think I got them given them. So what are we going to do this year? We've got a sweet pepper F1 blocky mix, a sweet pepper redskin F1, sweet pepper salad festival F1 hybrid, tomato F1 sun gold, some cherry tomatoes, some more tomatoes, money makers, courgette Virginia 3s that we bought in Tenerife last year, courgettes or zucchinis, cayenne chilies, jalapeno chilies, melon yellow gold. I have no idea if these guys will grow, but I feel like I need to give them another try. And we've got some aubergines as well. Early long purple too. And that's how they all look. Give them a cover in their soil and water them in. And just pop on your propagator lid. We've got some sweet corn, Seville F1. That's how they look. Pop them in and water them in. So now we've got marrow peas, so great for mushy peas, climbing French bean, peahurst green shaft, Adami soybeans, Mange 2 Shiraz, pumpkin Atlantic giant, pumpkin crown prince F1, some Brussels sprouts, butternut squash, harrier F1, and asparagus. So that's everything I'm planting. Top up with some soil and then we'll water in. All the veg and plants and everything are all seeded and planted. Now we wait. It's the 22nd of March 2020. I think it's been 1 week since we planted these and they're really sprouting. Peas and the Brussels sprouts. I think the only thing it's growing in here is a cherry tomato. You can just see them. Sweet corn. There's a few of them growing in there. I see them here and here. Lemongrass isn't doing too much. I have had these guys inside up until now. Yeah, because it's a nice warm day, I thought I'd take them outside. If it gets really cold later on, I will pop them back inside again. It's Monday the 30th of March 2020, and it's been 2 weeks since I planted my veg seeds. So it's time to take a look at them and maybe do some replanting. Courgettes here, aubergine, tomatoes, pumpkins, butternut squash, Brussels sprouts. And we've got some of the red peppers. What are these ones? Sweet pepper redskin. They're starting to sprout. We've got some jalapeno chilies. And asparagus is doing something down there. Not a whole lot though. The rest of these still need to propagate a bit longer. Sweet corn is all doing really well. Definitely going to plant them out today. And this at the back here are all my beans, peas, soybeans and Mange 2. So everything is a little bit leggy, but they're all looking really good. So I'm going to go ahead and get them planted up now. Done a touch of planting today. I've left a few things in the propagator. I've still got pumpkins in here, asparagus, cayenne chilies, sweet peppers, the other peppers, and melons. Now a few of these things I think might be a tiny bit early to plant, but that's okay. So I have planted red skin peppers, tomatoes are planted. I know they're only little and they're probably a little bit too small, but we're going to give it a go. Aubergine, butternut squash, and up the back there we've got sweet corn. I've repotted all the mange tune peas over here. They will either go on the deck and outside eventually, but they can stay in here for the moment. Jalapeno chilies in here. So at the moment we've just got garlic and potatoes in the end there. Pop the set onions here and I've popped a little protection over the top of them. Courgette in this cold frame. And up here we've got parsnips in here. Brussels sprouts in here. Again, probably a little bit too little for this, but we're going to give it a go. So in here we'll go carrots, and in here I'll pop beetroot. That's how the greenhouse is looking. So it's the 6th of April, and I've been busy planting some more veg, beetroots and carrots. This is me planting the carrots. Here's how the raised beds are looking now. Potatoes at the top and then garlic. In the cold frame we've got courgettes, then beetroot and then set onions. And in this bed at the top in the cold frame we've got Brussels sprouts and then parsnips. And down here we've got a few different varieties of carrot. So this is going to be used as my flower bed, but at the end here I have popped in a giant pumpkin here, some more pumpkins here, and a couple of pumpkins in this one. I'm not entirely sure these are going to be big enough for the pumpkin, but we'll give it a go because I've got nowhere else to put them. French beans are in the side of the archway. Shiraz mange too down here. Peas are doing okay. Damn me soybeans, I think are getting eaten by something. Well, that one at the back's doing okay. Marrow, the mushy peas seem to be doing really well. I'm pretty sure I haven't lost any seedlings yet. Don't think I've lost any tomato seedlings. Or any of the aubergines are actually doing really well. Butternut squash down there. That's all the sweet corn. Jalapeno chilies. Peppers down there are doing okay. And in here, the asparagus is growing. So yeah, the asparagus is growing. Cayenne chilies are starting to sprout. The pepper F1 salad is starting to have a few sprouts. Still no sweet peppers in there. I don't think there's any growth with the melon. I've still got a few things left to plant, but I will update you on that when it happens in the future, and hope you're looking forward to spring and summer as much as I am. Do let me know in the comments what you guys are growing. I'm going to end my veg seed growing here. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give us a like, leave a little comment. Subscribing is optional, but it's very much appreciated, and you can see how my garden progresses. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye!